What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to my freaking YouTube channel / TikTok. And today's video is gonna be kind of special. We're gonna be using the mini rod versus the big rod. Y'all stay tuned in. Oh, and I got one. Guys, on the big rod. I forgot to hit record on this one, but we did catch a little one, a little itty bitty. Get out of here. All right, to make sure Bruh. It's all right, he was little, but damn, dude. Yeah, he's on. Please don't come off. I've lost hella fish today. If you need to, you can drag the drag a little bit. Can we land them? Yes, sir. We landed them, barely hooked too. It's on the big rod again, guys. Oh, little itty bitty thing, you know what I mean? Get it back. Yeah. Gotta hit that little happy dance, you know what I mean? Cause we caught 2 fish. I think I got another one on. Yeah, I got another one on. And he got off. Oh my fucking God. Holy shit, dude. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. Today has been a rough freaking day. I'm losing like every fish that gets on. I don't know why. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. The freaking big rod won, of course. But make sure if y'all are new here, y'all hit that freaking subscribe button and like the freaking video. Until next time, peace.